Can LOL dolls and ponies really be friends? They're getting ready for a battle! Find more new pranks and life hacks on a brand new channel. Woohoo! Subscribe and enjoy awesome tricks and hilarious pranks. Follow the link in the description. The girls are talking about the latest trends in the world of toys. Christy presents her newest creation, a boy LOL. Trim the pigtails off an old LOL doll. Soak a cotton ball in acetone nail polish remover and place it on the doll's head. Wrap it in foil and leave it for a while. Remove the cotton and the paint. Color the hair with a dark shade. Paint thick, dark brows and brown eyes. Sew together a small rectangular piece of fabric, leaving openings for the arms. Cut out a hole for the head. Put the shirt on the doll. Cut 2 pant legs out of a long, thin balloon. And put on dark shoes. What a stylish upgrade for an LOL doll! Jessica is also full of surprises. She made a sparkly war pony. Cut pieces for armor out of paper. Use those templates to cut shapes out of shiny foam paper. Glue together pieces for the wings, tail, chest plate, and helmet. Make a winged helmet. Glue it around the pony's head. Then attach the rest of the pieces. Remove the paint from the pony's face with rubbing alcohol. Pull out the old tail. Color new eyes with narrow dragon pupils and thin eyelashes using acrylic paint. Cover the hooves with Elmer's glue and sprinkle them with glitter. Attach the armor, the tail, and the wings. This impressive pony is so bright and shiny. It's half dragon and half knight, and it conquered Stephanie's heart. How dashing! Now the girls won't be able to rest until they decide whose guy is better, the LOL or the pony. Stephanie announces a fair battle between the LOL dolls and My Little Pony dolls. Stephanie, as our supreme doll judge, explains the rules of the battle. Ready, set, doll! The girls are too cramped to share a table. They keep bumping into each other's arms, legs, and hair. Actually, changing an LOL doll's hair is a great idea. Christy gets to work. Remove the paint from an old LOL doll's head. Dress the doll in a trimmed balloon. Color new lips and eyes using acrylic paint. And paint on new bangs. Seal the hole in the doll's head with hot glue. Cut lavender satin ribbon into 3-inch pieces. Carefully sear one edge and separate the ribbon into strands. Glue the strand onto the doll's head. Use multi-purpose glue. Apply a patterned ribbon onto the upper strands. Decorate the bodysuit with a bead and sequins. Christy presents her upgraded LOL. She just got back from the doll hair salon, and now she has a stylish design on her head. Jessica also enhanced her pony's look. She gave it a long mane and a soft tail. Heat up a pony without a mane and tail using a hairdryer. Carefully remove the head from the body. Cut up some embroidery thread. Thread them through a thick needle and knot them securely. Pierce the pony's head through from the inside and pull the thread all the way through. Make a mane. Tie a strand of threads in the middle. Insert that through the opening for the tail. Pull the tail through the neck opening and knot part of the strings. Tug out the secured tail. Put the pony's head back on. Remove the eyes using rubbing alcohol. Make new eyes using acrylic paint and markers. Attach a sparkle. Cover the eyes with clear nail polish. The girls present their newly styled dolls. Whose hairdo is better? The LOL doll's artistry look or the pony's soft locks? Stephanie gives the win to the LOL. The next round is all about creative visuals. The girls draw new looks for their favorite dolls. Jessica sneaks a peek at Christy's idea. We're going into an underwater world. When the sketches are done, it's time to make them reality. Get an LOL doll with broken legs. Form a mermaid tail out of turquoise-colored polymer clay. Adjust the edge using a modeling tool. Roll 4 different colors of polymer clay into strips. Connect them and roll them out in one layer. Cut out a fin and attach it to the tail. Make side fins the same way. Cover the connections between the pieces using a strip of clay. Use a modeling tool with a beveled edge to make scales. Make a top out of 2 circles of clay. Form a design using a modeling tool. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Christy's working hard on her LOL. And Jessica made a magical pony fish. Trim the back off an old broken pony doll. Make a base for a tail out of tinfoil. And insert it instead of the hind legs. Remove the head from the body. Cover the tail with polymer clay. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Make a support fin out of bright clay and small side fins. Bake it again. Color the tail with acrylic paint. Cover it with Elmer's glue and sprinkle glitter over it. Put the head back on. Make a star with glue on the forehead and sprinkle it with glitter. The round is over. Let's see the results. The LOL is symmetrical and beautiful, a real underwater queen. And the ponyfish has an impressive tail. Both underwater dolls are wonderful, but there can only be one winner, and that's the mermaid LOL. The battle is turning into a zoo. It's time to stop this flow of crazy ideas. Stephanie gets stricter about the rules. How about both of you transform your doll into your opponent's doll? The pony will become an LOL doll, and the LOL will become a pony. Got it? Begin! Clean an old pony doll with acetone. Make hair out of polymer clay. Bake it according to the package instructions. Make a pleated skirt out of brightly colored clay. And make shoes for the hooves out of bright pink clay. Bake it as well. Make a bow out of yellow foam paper. Decorate the hair. Color the shoes with acrylic paint. And make new eyes with acrylic paint. Create rainbow blotches on the face and clothing. The girls work on their dolls for a long time. Finally, Jessica shows off the first result. This pony is dressed as a rainbow 4-legged LOL splatters. How unusual! And Christy introduced us to her masterpiece, Luna the LOL pony. Use acetone nail polish remover to wash the paint off an old LOL doll's face. Color new eyes with acrylic paint. Secure them with clear nail polish. Make new hair out of light clay. Attach a black crown. Tone the ends of the hair with dry pastels. Make a small star design using white paint. Cover the hair with glossy acrylic polish. Make a blue outfit out of light clay. Add details made out of black clay. Cover clay wings with acrylic polish and sprinkle them with glitter. Glue the wings to the doll's back. The judge carefully analyzes the dolls. The transformations were a success, but the pony got more into character than the LOL doll. Here's the result. The pony and her creator Jessica win this round. The girls are discussing the best parts of pony dolls and don't notice that Christy is missing. Here she is, sending us her regards from the other side. My goodness, what is this? Christy worked so hard on making a Dia de los Muertos look for her doll that she got into the aesthetic herself. Cover the face of an old LOL doll with white acrylic paint. Create traditional Mexican designs with black paint. Color it with acrylic paint. And paint the hair black. Make a wig out of black felting wool and attach it to the doll's head. Adjust the shape with scissors. Cover it with plastic roses. Dress the doll. Paint white gloves onto the hands. What an impressive show! The LOL looks just like her owner. This look is so good, it's scary. Jessica's worried that she's losing. She needs an out-of-this-world result to get her the win. And here it is, a fantastical pony. Poke openings in an old pony doll's head using an awl. Insert looped wires from the inside. Trim the mane. Make horns on the wire bases out of polymer clay. And make a long tail out of wires and clay the same way. Bake it in an oven following the clay package instructions. Attach pieces of fake fur to the mane, the body, and the tip of the tail. Make a design on the forehead using acrylic paint. Apply glue to the eyes and sprinkle them with glitter. Do the same on the horn. Stephanie has never seen a creature like this before. It's a combination of a deer, a lion, and a unicorn pony. A pink wonder of nature. How is she meant to pick a winner now? In the end, the fantastical beast captured the judge's heart. The score is 3-3, which means everyone's a winner in this battle. Did you like our doll craft ideas? Then let us know which transformations you liked better, LOL dolls or My Little Pony. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new toy battle ideas from Troom.